Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to replace the speedometer glass on a Maruti Suzuki Swift BXi and ZXi. Before we start, make sure the car is parked safely and the keys are removed from the ignition and disconnect the battery. First, gently remove the dashboard trim around the instrument cluster. Use a plastic trim removal tool to avoid scratches. Slowly pry around the edges until the trim clips come loose. Next, you will see two screws holding the instrument cluster in place. Remove both screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Now pull the instrument cluster towards you. Disconnect the wiring connector at the back by pressing the lock tab and sliding it out. Place the cluster on a clean table. You will notice several clips holding to front plastic glass. Use a flat plastic tool to unlock each clip one by one. Be patient and do not force the clips. Once the clips open, lift the old speedometer glass carefully. If there is dust inside, clean the surface using a microfiber cloth. Do not use strong chemicals, as they may damage the meter. Now take the new speedometer glass and align it correctly. Press gently around the edges until all clips lock properly. Reinstall the cluster back into the car. Reconnect the wiring connector. Push the cluster into position, and tighten the 2 screws. Finally, reinstall the dashboard trim and press it until all clips snap into place. Reconnect the battery. And that's it. Your Maruti Suzuki Swift speedometer glass has been successfully replaced. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more automotive repair tutorials. Thank you for watching.